After covering the official breakdown of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, which will be one of the SoCs powering the upcoming Galaxy S22 series, we did say all that was left to be made official would be the counterpart, the Exynos 2200. The time has finally come. As of the 18th of January 2022, Samsung have now made the Exynos 2200 official. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy new and exclusive videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV. Here is our quick breakdown of what we know so far in regards to the Exynos 2200. Let's dive straight into what we know so far in regards to the Exynos 2200. This is based on Samsung's latest semiconductor fabrication process, which is the 4nm EUV, which like what is being used on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. This is an optical based design broken up into a 1-3-4 design with 1 Cortex-X2 core, 3 Cortex-A710 cores, and 4 efficient Cortex-A510 cores. Samsung hasn't disclosed much about the clock speeds, but we expect the Cortex-X2 cores to clock all the way up to 2.8 GHz, the Cortex-A710 cores to clock up to 2.5 GHz, and then the Cortex-A510 cores to clock all the way up to 2 GHz or 1.8 GHz. That's all standard expectations for the CPU. What we're really excited to see in this announcement is the new X-Clip 920 GPU, which is based on Samsung's partnership with AMD with their RDNA 2 graphics architecture, which could usher in a new age in mobile graphics. This is said to be a hybrid GPU positioned between mobile devices and gaming consoles. The GPU is said to have the ability to drive 4K displays at 120Hz and Quad High Definition Plus at 144Hz. Features like hardware-based ray tracing and variable rate shading VRS are said to be here, borrowing from GPU features found on dedicated gaming consoles. How useful they'll be is yet to be seen, but VRS definitely looks interesting. The chipset also supports LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage, backed with what Samsung are claiming that the Exynos 2200 will offer faster game loading, smoother frame rates, and swift multitasking. In terms of the ISP, things look to be the same as what was found on the Exynos 2100, which supports the same 200 megapixel camera sensors with the capability of capturing 108 megapixel images at 30 frames a second and 64 megapixels plus 32 megapixel images simultaneously at 30 frames a second. On the video side, you do get 4K 120 frames a second and 8K 30 frames a second video recording with HDR10 Plus here, and you also do get support for 8K 60 frames a second and 4K 240 frames a second video playback. Now the chipset does come with an integrated 5G modem with support for millimeter wave and sub 6 GHz network speeds. Other connectivity features of the Exynos 2200 include Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, USB 3.2 over Type-C. Samsung has also improved the security too, and with that, the Exynos 2200 does have a dedicated secure element to store cryptographic keys, and also it all boots before the CPU. This is all we know so far, as Samsung are keeping things very close to the chest in regards to the extra details we want to know in regards to the Exynos 2200, especially how it will hold up against the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. We are also very eager to see how this new X-Clip 920 GPU will perform when it comes to graphics, as we are anticipating how well this partnership with AMD Radeon Graphics will go. The last one we are hoping and thinking is efficiency when it comes to overall battery performance and also thermals. Samsung made great progress with the Exynos 2100 previously, so let's hope things continue to take a turn for the best. We should be seeing the Exynos 2200 in the same regions as before, like on the Exynos 2100 in the S21 series. If that's still the case, are you looking forward to picking up the Exynos 2200 variant of the Galaxy S22 series? Let us know in the comment section below. For the latest news in the world of Samsung Daily, be sure to visit us at sammobile.com. For the latest videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.